I want to open a grocery mart in my area, but I don't know where to start, and I don't even know if it will be profitable.
If this thought is running in your mind right now, trust me, you are not alone. Every successful grocery owner once stood exactly where you are standing.
In this video, I'll explain step by step how to start a grocery mart from zero, how much investment you really need,
how much profit you can expect, and how to avoid common beginner mistakes. So watch till the end. This video can literally change your future. Is grocery business profitable? First, let's answer the most important question. Yes, grocery business is profitable, but only if it's done the right way. Here's the truth. Grocery is a low margin but high volume business. People buy groceries every single day. Recession, inflation, crisis, people still eat. That's why grocery is one of the most stable businesses in the world. Average profit margin. Packaged items, 5-10%. Loose items, rice, flour, 10-20%. Fresh vegetables and fruits, 15-30%. Profit comes from daily sales, repeat customers, proper pricing, and stock control. Now the question is, what type of grocery mart should you open? Before starting, decide one category. Option 1, small neighborhood grocery store. Best for beginners, 300, 600 SQFT. Focus on daily needs, low investment. Option 2, mini mart superstore. 800, 1,500 SQFT. More variety, slightly higher investment. If you're starting first time, always start small. You can expand later. Now the question is, how much investment is needed? Let me break this very honestly. Small grocery mart approx investment. Shop rent in advance, $50,000, $150,000. Shelves and racks, $40,000, $80,000. Initial stock, $200,000, $400,000. Counter, weighing scale, freezer, $30,000, $70,000. Miscellaneous, $20,000. Total $350,000, $700,000 approx. Start with fast-moving items only, not everything. Now, what items should you sell first? First, do not overstock. Second, start with daily essentials. Third, flour, rice, sugar, cooking oil, and ghee. Fifth, tea, milk, bread, eggs, biscuits, snacks. 7, soap, shampoo, detergent. 8, basic spices. Observe customer demand for 30-60 days, then expand. Part 5, how much can you earn monthly? 7, 830. Let's do simple math. If daily sales equals 15,000, monthly sales equals 450,000. Average profit margin equals 10%. Monthly gross profit equals 45,000. After expenses, rent, electricity, net profit equals 25,000, 35,000. As customers grow, daily sales 25,000, 40,000. Monthly profit 60,000, 100,000 plus. Consistency equals growth. However, there are some biggest mistakes to avoid. Stop buying slow-moving stock. Giving too much credit, no price labels, poor cleanliness, bad customer behavior. Remember, people don't just buy products, they buy trust. Clean shop, fair prices, polite behavior, free home delivery, even on WhatsApp tenor, small discounts for regular customers, write your shop number on bills and bags. If you are thinking, I don't have experience, let me tell you, experience comes after starting, not before. Start small, learn daily, improve weekly. A grocery mart may look simple, but it can feed a family for a lifetime if done right. If this video helped you, like and share it with someone who wants to start a business. Comment below, grocery business, and I'll make a step-by-step stock list video next. Subscribe for more real business guidance.